Hi everyone, this is a free phonics class, and in today's class we focused about long vowel E sound pronunciation.
Okay, so let's start with today's class. Okay, so now I should give brief introduction. Let's start. Who want to introduce first? Raise your hand. Okay, I will start from this end itself. Okay, Siddhan in the start ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ. Siddhan, introduce yourself.
My name is Siddharth. I am from Kasaragodu.
Satvik.
I am Satvik. I am from Kasaragodu.
Very good. Shrihan.
My name is Srihar.
Okay.
I am from Kasaragodu.
Okay. Shamit.
My name is Shamit Sivan. I am from Asan.
Vaishvik.
I am Vaishvik from Kasaragodu.
Okay, very good.
My name is Shinish. I am from Kasaragodu.
Anvika.
My name is Manvika. I am from Kasaragodu.
So I will just show you the cards. You should tell the sounds. Pat pat anta helbeku. Okay. See here. What is this? What is this? V. Ah. So what are these? These are known as vowels. So what are these? Vowels. So each vowel has two sounds. Okay. One is the short vowel, another one is the long vowel. Okay. So in last class, we learnt about this one, A. Alva? Long vowel, A kaltide. Alva? Satvik, can you read this? Big. Vaishvik, read this. Hate. Because we have hetalla. Hate. A. Hate. Okay. So the sound is A because we have E here. This is known as magic E. Alva? Magic E bandaga A sound bartade. So this is hate. Shamit, what is this? Can you read this? Shamit? Made. Very good. So this is made. Okay. So ಈಗ ಒಂದು ಗೇಮ್ ಇದೆ ನಾನು ಒಂದು ಸಣ್ಣ ಗೇಮ್. Okay. So I will write a word here. Okay. I will write a word here So whenever there is long vowel sound, long vowel A, you should say quack, quack. Okay. Short vowel ಆದ್ರೆ ಭೌ 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 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಹೇಗೆ? ಲಾಂಗ್ ವಾವೆಲ್ ಎ ಅಂತ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಕ್ವಾಕ್ ಕ್ವಾಕ್. ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ. ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ವಾವೆಲ್, ಫಾರ್ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ವಾವೆಲ್ the sound is a. For that you should say bow bow. Okay, ready? Okay, Siddhan, can you read this? Siddhan, can you read this? Long vowel. Quack, quack. This one, is it long or short? Innocente, can you read this? Cake. So this is long vowel. For long vowel, you should say quack quack. Sound. You should say bow bow. Can you read this? Who wants to read this? Satwik, can you read this? Spray. So that is short or long? A and Y together would be A sound. A andre long. A andre short. Okay. Siddhan, can you read this? What? A and R together ಬರುವಾಗ sound ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? R. Okay, now read this. Say sound one by one. What is the sound of this? D. Join madu. Card. Very good. So this is card. So when we have A and R together, sound would be R. Card. Shamit, can you read this? Chart. So this is chart. Chart. Vaishvik, can you read this? Chart. Chart. Tinish, can you read this? What is the last letter ಏನಿದೆ? This is jar. Manvika, can you read this? Sound should be R, not air. Nodu, when we have A and R together, sound would be R. Air alla. R. R. T. R. Star. F. Arm. Farm. So, can you read this now? Manvika? Tar. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? ಟೇರ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ tar. Okay. We learnt long A already. Alva? Now we learnt long A. Vowels ಅಲ್ಲಿ A ಎದ್ದು ಕಲ್ತಾಯ್ತು. ಇವಾಗ we should learn about long E. See, today we are going to learn about long E sound. So what is long E? Sound would be E. Okay, usually for the letter E, sound is eh, eh. Okay, but in long vowel sound, the letter E would sound like E. Okay, so there is one rule. When we have the letter E and A together, this will make the sound E. Okay, so this will make the sound E. See here, this is L, E, F, leaf. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? L, leaf, leaf. So, E ಮತ್ತು A ಜೊತೆಗಿರುವಾಗ, when we have E and A together, sound ನಾವು E ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ? ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? So, now, Shrihan, can you read this? ಇಬ್ರು ಒಟ್ಟಿಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಈಗ. ಹಾ, so this is cheat. Ch, eat. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲದಿದ್ರೆ ಸೌಂಡ್ ತರ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತಿತ್ತು? ಚ ಎ ಆ ಅಟ್ ಚ ಆಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹಾಗೆ ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗ್ತದಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಇ ಅಂಡ್ ಎ ಟುಗೆದರ್ ಸೌಂಡ್ ವುಡ್ ಬಿ ಇ. ಸೊ ಚ ಈಟ್, ಚೀಟ್. ಸಾತ್ವಿಕ್, ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯು ರೀಡ್ ದಿಸ್?
Heat.
Very good. Siddhant, can you read this?
Leap.
Very good. Leap. Okay. Vaishvik, can you read this, Vaishvik?
Leap.
Weak. Samit, can you read this?
Sheet.
E and A together ಇದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಶಮಿತ್? E. Very good. What is the sound of this?
E.
ಇದು first letter, what is the sound?
S.
S. Combine it now. Blend it together.
C.
Very good. Got it right? So this is S and E. C. Shini, Manvika, can you read this?
E.
E and A together make single sound. What is the sound? E ಮತ್ತು A ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ? ಯಾವ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ? E ಮತ್ತು A ಜೊತೆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಸೌಂಡ್ E. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? ಈಗ see here. Okay, so these two together makes single sound. See, E and A together makes the sound E. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? So this is eat. ಓದು ಸಿದ್ಧಾನ್. ಇದು ಸೌಂಡ್ ಏನ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ? When we have E and A together, what is the sound? E and A together ಇದ್ರೆ sound E. Okay, so M, E, L. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? So meal. Shamit, can you read this? Seat. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತ? S, eat, seat. So I will just keep on reading this. Worksheet ಕೊಡ್ತೇನೆ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So when we have E and A together, sound would be E. That is nothing but long vowel E. So how to read this now? L, E, F. Leaf. This one, let me start from here. So this one, M, eel, meal. St, eel, steel. Eat, eat. S, e, see. T, e, tea. S, eel, seal. This one, eagle, eagle. This one, eat, cheat. Eat, heat. Leap, leap. This one, eat, lead. Weak, weak. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? So can you get me something with red color? Run and run around the house. Not the t-shirt. You should get me something.
Bag.
You should run. ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಹತ್ತಿರ ಇರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ತರಬೇಡಿ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಓಡಿ ತನ್ನಿ, ಆಗ ನಿಮ್ದು ಉದಾಸೀನ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ. Show me in the camera. Hurry up, hurry up. Hurry up, hurry up. Tick, tick 1, tick, tick 2, tick, tick 3, tick, tick 4, tick, tick 5, tick, tick 6, tick, tick 7, tick, tick 8, tick, tick 9, tick, tick 10. Vaishvik, what is that? What is that, Vaishvik?
Vixen.
Okay, show me. Show that to the camera. 1 minute. Let me remove
Wire. Gomme. Doll.
Okay. Okay, Vaishvik, show that. What is there in your hand? Okay, very good. Siddhan, what is there in your hand?
Helicopter.
Oh, super. Shrihan, unmute yourself. Shrihan, you can unmute yourself. Sarvik also, you can unmute. Okay. So what is there in your hand, Shrihan? Satvik, what is that?
This is fire.
Satvik, your camera audio is, you can unmute. Audio unmute. What is that, Satvik?
Slate backside.
Okay, very good. Shamit, what is that?
Car.
Very good. Dinesh, what is there in your hand? Shinish, what is there in your hand?
Wire.
Okay. Manvika, what is there in your hand?
Doll.
Okay. Okay. So today we learnt about long E sound. That is when we have E and A together, the sound would be E. That is long vowel E. Okay. So next class ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಕಲಿವಾ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇರೆ ಗೇಮ್ಸ್ ಆಡಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ಯಾರಿಗಾದ್ರೂ ಕಂಫರ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ? ಬೇಸರ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಎಂತ ಇವರಿಗೆ? ಓಕೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕಂಫರ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲದಿದ್ರು ಡೇಸ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಆದ ಹಾಗೆ ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಮೋರ್ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆಂಟ್. ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ
ಖುಷಿ ಆಯ್ತು.
ಓಕೆ, bye bye. See you in the next class. Okay.
Bye. Bye.